In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a thumbnail on your YouTube channel videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and upload our video that we want to add a thumbnail. So once you are in YouTube Studio here, you can click on dashboard here and then you'll have an option to upload your video. I'll go ahead and upload my video, and here's my video that I want to upload, and now it has been uploaded. Now at this point, you have to make sure that your thumbnail is ready and you have already downloaded it on your computer before you upload your video on YouTube Studio. So go ahead and add your description. And once you have added your description, you should be able to see this section called thumbnail. Here you can either upload your thumbnail or you can auto-generate your thumbnail. Now by auto-generating your thumbnail, it means you want to use part of your video as thumbnail. So if you tap on it, it will show you sections of your video, and from this you can choose one to be your thumbnail. However, if you want to upload the one that you have created, then go to your computer. For my case, I'll go to my computer and then I have one that is ready here. And for this, just go ahead and drop it at this section called upload file. So if I drop it here, now the thumbnail will be added automatically. Should you wish to change, just go ahead and click on it and then tap on change. Once you are okay with the thumbnail, go ahead and click on next and then continue until you publish your video. So I'm at the publishing stage and now I can publish my video here. So that's how you can upload or add a thumbnail on your videos in YouTube Studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.